Hi everyone! Today, in this video, we'll learn how to count in the thousands in Burmese. If you haven't seen my video on how to count from 0 to the hundreds or need a refresher, I'll put a link to those videos in the description box below. We'll first go over how to count in the thousands, then the 10,000s, then the 100,000s, and then finally the millions. Now let's get started. Starting with the thousands. Similar to how we count in the tens and hundreds, the same logical pattern applies when counting in the thousands in Burmese. Follow this pattern. Say the number of thousands, followed by the word
Thảo,
which is thousand in Burmese. Say the number of hundreds, followed by the word
Dạ,
which is hundred in Burmese. Say the number of tens, followed by the word
Sẽ,
which is 10 in Burmese. And then say the number of ones. Let's take a look at some examples. For example, 3,500. 3,500 is 3 multiples of 1,000. 500 is 5 multiples of 100. So we say the words 3,000, 500. So,
3,500, 3,500,
let's take another example. 4,000 would be 4,000. So,
4,000, 4,000,
let's take another example. 1,234 would be 1,200, 310, 4. So,
1,234, 1,234.
okay, now let's listen to how we say 1,000 to 9,000 in Burmese. I'll go in increments of 1,000.
1,000, 1,000, 2,000, 2,000, 3,000, 3,000, 4,000, 4,000, 5,000, 5,000, 6,000, 6,000, 7,000, 7,000, 8,000, 8,000, 9,000, 9,000.
Now let's go over how to count in 10,000s. Just like all other numbers we've gone through, the same logical pattern applies for counting in 10,000s. The only difference is that 10,000 is called
Tao, tao,
Now let's look at some examples. 60,000 would be 6 10,000. So,
6,000, 6,000,
98,000 would be 9 10,000, 8,000. So,
9,800, 9,800.
now let's listen to how we say 10,000 to 90,000 in Burmese. I'll go in increments of 10,000.
1,000, 1,000, 2,000, 2,000, 3,000, 3,000, 4,000, 4,000, 5,000, 5,000, 6,000, 6,000, 7,000, 7,000, 8,000, 8,000, 9,000, 9,000.
Finally, 100,000 follows the same pattern, and the word for 100,000 is.
Tên, tên.
Now let's look at some examples. For example, 500,000 is 5 multiples of 100,000, so we say the words 500,000. So,
Ngà tí, ngà tí.
let's take another example. 980,000 would be 900,000, 8 10,000. So,
9,800, 9,800.
now let's listen to how we say 100,000 to 900,000 in Burmese. I'll go in increments of 100,000.
1 တစ်သိန်းတစ်သိန်းနှစ်သိန်းနှစ်သိန်းသုံးသိန်းသုံးသိန်းလေးသိန်းလေးသိန်းငါးသိန်းငါးသိန်းခြောက်သိန်းခြောက်သိန်းခုနှစ်သိန်းခုနှစ်သိန်းရှစ်သိန်းရှစ်သိန်းကိုးသိန်းကိုးသိန်း
You might be curious, how about counting in the millions? It's common for people to refer to millions by using multiples of 100,000. So instead of saying 1 million in Burmese, it would be 10 100,000. So you would say
ဆယ်သိန်းဆယ်သိန်း
Wow, that was a lot of numbers. Let's have a recap of all the placeholders in Burmese. 10 is,
ဆယ်ဆယ်
100 is,
ရာရာ
thousands is,
ထောင်ထောင်
10,000s is,
တောင်းတောင်း
100,000s is,
သိန်းသိန်း
million is.
ဆယ်သိန်းဆယ်သိန်း
That wraps up our lesson on the thousands in Burmese. I hope you found it helpful. See you in the next video.